the practical that we are going to perform today is the FeV1 over FVC ratio. So what is FVC? Forced vital capacity. It is the maximum volume of air exhaled when the subject forcefully exhales the air after deep inspiration. FeV1 is the volume or fraction of FVC in the first second. If the subject exhales the air forcefully, the volume of air that is exhaled in the first second is called FeV1. Precautions during the performance of this practical are the same as that of the spirometry, because we will perform this practical on the spirometer. These are the values which will be obtained after we perform the practical, which will help us to differentiate the subject from normal obstructive or having a restrictive disease. If the ratio which is obtained is 80%, the subject is normal. If the value comes less than 80%, it means that the subject has an obstructive disease. And if the subject has restrictive disease, the value of FeV1 over FVC ratio will be more than 80%. So to perform this practical FeV1 over FVC, we will set the apparatus same as we did in the spirometry practical. But there will be two differences. The first difference will be that we will fill the air at till the up to the point of 4 liters. And the second difference is that we will not fill the oxygen, because we only have to expire the air. Then we will give the instructions to the subject. आपने जब मैं आपको कहूँगा तो आपने हवा में ही सांस अंदर की तरफ खींचना है. जितना ज़ोर से आप सांस खींच सकें खींचेंगे, और उसके बाद आपने इस अपरेटस के माउथ पीस के अंदर एयर को बाहर की तरफ निकाल देना है. और जितनी आपके फेफड़ों में हवा है, आपने सारी हवा बाहर निकाल देनी है. When the subject will be blowing the air out, you will move the lever from atmosphere to spirometer. Subject will inhale the air from the atmosphere and then expire the air in the spirometer. As far as kymograph is concerned, in the spirometry practical we set the speed at 1 millimeter per second, but for the FeV1 over FVC ratio we will set the speed at 25 millimeters per second, and we will set the knob at number 4 for performing. Now he will put the nose clip, inhale the air, turn on the kymograph, and we will put the lever to the spirometer, and now he will blow the air out. When he will be blowing the air out, he will turn on the kymograph. The graph will be formed like this. After that you will label the graph like this. It is 25 millimeter per second, so one small square is equal to 5 millimeters. So 5 blocks will be equal to 25 millimeters. And as we told earlier that one block is equal to 200 ml, so 5 blocks will be equal to 1 liter in the y-axis. So here you can see that after the 5 blocks, that is after first second, we will label this point of the reading as FeV1, that is the forced vital capacity after first second. The forced vital capacity will increase after that, but the value of after first second will be here at this point.